Hello, and welcome back to another very special chapter in the Planet Pat series. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a beautiful and often overlooked ecosystem not featured in many of today's nature documentaries, but no less at risk of depletion due to human intervention. The ecosystem I am referring to lies beside me here and is commonly known as a swimming pool, although in the scientific community is referred to as Swimmingus poolus. Today we will dive into many of the factors that are putting this ecosystem at risk and what makes it so special. One of the truly remarkable parts of this ecosystem is its ability to regulate its own temperature. In times of cold, it deploys its protective shield, keeping the creatures that call it home safe and warm. Inversely, when the sun comes out and temperatures warm, this ecosystem pulls back its protective sheath, allowing the heat and warmth of the sun to bring life to its waters. The swimming pool, or Swimmingus poolus, is truly a one-of-a-kind ecosystem with the unique ability to thrive in locations all around the globe, given the right conditions. Sadly, these conditions are becoming harder and harder to find. While many creatures call it home, scientists have long theorized that this habitat is crucial to the primate Homo sapien, but have never before been able to document them in this habitat. What you are seeing now are the first images of these creatures' unique relationship with this ecosystem. It looks like this primate thinks it's time for a bath. Ah, so refreshing. This primate seems to have discovered one of our cameras and is very interested. Hello, he says. Do you want to come for a swim and a play? Fine, I'll play by myself, he says. Just 'cause it's bath time doesn't mean we can't have a little dance party, our primate friend says. Ecosystems such as these are delicate webs, still trying to be pulled apart and understood by the scientific community. Take, for example, the plant life that surrounds me here. Scientists still do not understand what makes these plants thrive in this ecosystem, or the complex bond they share with the primates that come here to cool themselves in the hot summer months. Why do these primates use their precious resources, time, and energy to help these plants thrive, and what are the primates receiving in return? These questions and more are why we must fight for these habitats, so that scientists have the time to come to understand how these ecosystems work. It's not just the primates and vegetation surrounding the pool that rely on this ecosystem. It's time to meet the pool cleaning machine. This gentle creature lives at the bottom of most pools, thriving off of the leaves that drop off the vegetation surrounding the pool, a delicate yet perfect system. The pool cleaning machine slowly makes its way to every corner of its habitat, sending the bits and pieces it finds through its long feeding tube to the small blue pod that holds its young. Pool cleaning machines only give birth every 7 to 14 years, giving their young plenty of time to mature. This is another creature that can only survive in this unique ecosystem. Sadly, These ecosystems are disappearing at a greater and greater rate every day, under constant threat from things like above-ground pools and air conditioning. Many hardly take the time to notice whether or not there is even a swimming pool ecosystem in their own backyard. And it's up to us to fight if we want to continue to enjoy watching creatures like the pool cleaning machine, and if we want to provide a habitat for primates to cool themselves in the heat of summer. So, I challenge each and every one of you watching to help save this beautiful, delicate, and rapidly disappearing ecosystem by hitting subscribe now and by sharing this video using the hashtag #SaveOurPools. Thank you and good night.